So we can use this scripting information whenever you have to using the JavaScript. You can use this JavaScript either head tag or within the body tag or outside the body tag. So separately you can use this scripting information into the HTML tags only.
Okay.
So first here we have to discuss ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ అనే కోడ్ మీరు హెడ్ ట్యాగ్ లో అయినా రాయొచ్చు, బాడీ ట్యాగ్ లో అయినా రాయొచ్చు, ఆర్ outside the head or outside the body within the HTML tag also you can write. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
మీరు script tag అనేది scripting information you can write within the head tag or inside the body tag, or we can use the separately we can define this tag also.
Okay, sir.
Not in the head, not in the body. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Okay. So now we have to discuss with that how we can calculate the simple interest. So that is the name of the web page. Now I have to define script type equal to text or JavaScript. This is the separate. This is that whenever you have to write the code, scripting code must be defined as a script type equal to text or JavaScript. So now before writing the script, first you know about the what are the tags you are using in HTML page. So whatever the static content you have to write within the body tag only. Okay, clear? Before writing the script, first you have to defining the body tag in body tag. And within the body tag, you have to specify the what are the elements you are using. Those all elements you have to specify within this body tag only. Okay. So now first one I want to use, this is the body tag. In the body tag you have to defining the generally last previous classes you have to discuss regarding to the inline style sheets, embedded style sheets and external style sheets. So now here I want to use the inline style sheet. In the inline style sheet, simply I want to use style equal to, and you are applying for this body tag, you have to applying the style. So style equal to text align. So this is the text align. So whatever the text you have to written in the body, that means what is the content you have in the web page, that all text -align, we have to represent it as :center. So whatever the text you have to consider, that must be defined as a center. Okay, that is the first property we have to apply to the body tag. Okay. Next one, I want to apply the another property to the body tag, that is the background information, that is the background color. Background -color will be assigned to light blue. అంటే ఎప్పుడైతే మనం లైట్ బ్లూ అని డిఫైన్ చేస్తున్నామో, ఇప్పుడు టెక్స్ట్ అలైన్ ఈక్వల్ టు సెంటర్, టెక్స్ట్ అలైన్ సెంటర్, that is the property, background color equal light. So these are the two properties we have to apply to the body tag. See here, see here, I will show you. This is the, for example, you have to consider. This is the, what is the content you have to represent it here. This is the web page. In that web page, you have to represent what are the elements you are using. All these are. So that text you have to represent it as a center. So here text align equal to center. So this one center will be assigned. Then background color light blue. So whenever you have to give in this property, automatically the color we have to display as light blue. Okay, clear? Yes, so sir, these two properties we have to apply for using the style. Okay, clear? So then then go to the h1 tag. So in the h1 tag, let us calculate the simple interest for the given values. So I want to write the header 1. first header one tag you have to use to display the information as big. So that's the reason you have to use the H1 tag. Okay, clear? Then next one you have to represent the division. I want to, whatever the information I want to consider, you have to represent the data in a row. That is the one division you have to specify. So I want to define as a division in the division tag. So I want to define one label. That is the name of the variable. That is the enter principal amount. Enter principal amount.
Sir,
Okay.
what is label meant for?
Label name, you have to give the for, or you have to give the name also. So for example, you want to give the name, that is the ID also you can give. In the place of for, you can use ID. So that is identified with this ID. So okay, you can use anyone. Label ID, that is the name of ID, that label, and enter principal amount. So here we have to writing the whatever the content you have written, that information we have to display on screen. So label is closed. So here label tag is completed. Then I want to next, after getting the label, I want to display the text box. So now I want to write input type. So input for example, input type equal to text. So text box you want to display, and its ID I want to specify as a PRIN. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next one. This is the with this ID only you can reading the value or writing the values, whatever you have to consider in JavaScript. So based on this IDs only. Okay.
Sir, PRIN is ID.
ID. So you can give the P also as your wish.
Okay, then the ID name will be our wish. We can give whatever we want.
Whatever you have, whatever the ID you are given, that ID only you can use it that script language. Whenever you have to write the script. Okay. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏ అయితే ID ఇస్తున్నామో, that ID only you can use it in the JavaScript.
Okay.
See here, I will show you. This is the ID name is the print, and the name of the text box I want to give as print. Same name I want to give. So here I want to change the ID is P. Here that is the ID is I. This is the ID is I want to consider as Y. Okay, clear? Name is name of the text box. We can give any information. Print value is within the double quotation. Nothing I want to specify. That means no information we have to display on screen. Okay, text box lo manaki em information display cheyakodadu anukondi. Just within the double quotations we have to nothing we have to. Okay, clear? Then
Yes, sir.
I want to use the mouse events. In this program I want to use the mouse events. So what are the mouse events you are generally you have to use? Click on click, mouse over, focus in. Okay, mouse out. So these are you have the number of events are there occurred while moving the mouse or pressing the key. Okay.
Okay.
Particularly, for example, here, this is the web page. In this web page, just we have to want to write the information. Automatically, here the color will change. How this color we have to change? So here, I want to change the color. Color change function you have to represent it here. That is the on focus in. On focus in. This is the event whenever you have to generate it, automatically it will be generated. So here, whenever you have to click on this one, automatically the focus more of on focus in. So whenever you have to click on this text box, automatically focus will be placed here. That's the reason that event you have to generate it. So whenever that event is generated, that what the function you have described here, that function is executed. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, whenever you
Yes,
have to specify the on focus in function, whenever you have to, this is the already predefined function, predefined event like mouse click. మనం click ఒక బటన్ క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నాము. క్లిక్ చేస్తున్నాం అంటే దట్ మీన్స్ దట్ ఈస్ ద ఈవెంట్. Here on focus is also one event. So whenever that event will be fired, automatically this function is executed. Okay, this function related code you have written in the JavaScript. So finally, the text box is completed. End of the division. So first division is completed. And similar way, I want to specify the another division tag. Div tag label ID. So ID is I want to specify as int. That is the label ID. Enter the interest rate. Yeah. End of the label. Similar way, you have to take the another text box. Input type equal to text. So here you have to say that input type equal to text means text box we have to input type equal to button and a button will be displayed. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So input type equal
Yes,
to
sir.
text. ID, what is the ID of this input text box? ID is I want to consider here. Next one, name of the ID intr, value is nothing you want to display. So here also I want to apply the same event, that is the on focus event. That is the color change. Same function we have to execute it here. So whenever you have to go into this function, so here same function. Okay,
Yes,
for
sir.
the similarly here also. Okay. So on focus event, whenever you have to on focus event, whenever you have to click on that event will be generated. This function is executed. Here,
Okay.
similar way, we can represent it as third division. First, second division is closed, and third division, that is the number of years, how many years of interest we have to given, number of years, and input type equal to text, that is the ID is equal to y, and name equal to yes, value equal to nothing, and on focus event, on focus in, this is the in. So here we have the two types of events, on focus in, on focus out also. In అంటే మనం క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు that is the event will be fired. We have to coming out of the text box, that is the on focus out event. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So here we are using only one event only. So now same function, on color change function you have executed, that event will be fired, and that is the third division is completed. Now we have to open the fourth division. Input type. So clearly it shows input type equal to in the previous text annam, type equal to text annam kada, and text box open, clear text box create. Now input type equal to, these are the form buttons. Generally we have to call it as form buttons. Input type equal to button. So whenever you have to written here button, automatically this button is generated. So once the button is generated, input type equal to button, the ID is BT and value equal to click me. So this is the click me, whatever the value you have given. So previous గా మనం ఇచ్చిన ఆటలు అన్నిట్లో టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ లో వాల్యూ నథింగ్ ఇచ్చాం. ఇక్కడ ఏమైనా ఇచ్చామా?
Yes, sir.
Nothing. But whereas here the
No,
value
sir.
is given as click me. So whenever you have to give in the click me, so that automatically it will be displayed on here. That is the click me you have to display. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, on mouse over. This is the another event.
Yes, sir.
Whenever we have to click on that web page, so here that is the event. So see here, whenever the mouse going to the text box button, so automatically that event will be fired. So I want to change the color. So change the color function I want to execute it. So this is the previously we have to represent color change function. Here I want to represent it as another function, change color. Okay, these all functions we have to written in this JavaScript only. Okay, on mouse over, change color function. On mouse out, this is the another event you want to define. So on mouse out and enti ilaga, this is over and mouse is going on button, that is the on mouse over event will be generated. We have to coming outside, that is the on mouse out.
Out.
Yes, clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
On mode over అంటే ఆ బటన్ మీదకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు ఆ ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవుతుంది. దట్ ఈవెంట్ విల్ బి ఫైల్డ్.
Okay.
On mouse out means that function, this function is invoked. Normal function, I want to invoke that. This event will be filed. Okay. So I want to defining the another event also here. That is on click. So I want to click on this one. Okay. So click at that appropriate event you have to invoke. So see here, that is that time I want to execute the function, that is the calculate. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
So first one, this is the way I want to events want to generate that based on that event, that appropriate functions we have to execute. So now I want to defining the another division. So first this division is over, then I want to defining the another division. Sample information I want to display. So one paragraph tag, p tag you have to specify p id equal to high and slash p division tag you have to specify. Okay, clear? So
Yes, sir.
this is the body
Sir,
tag,
we can
body
define p tag in division, sir.
p tag is in division. So these all are we have to represented. See here, this is represented as one division, and the principal amount and text box, that is defined as a one division. So this is the we have to define as another division. This is defined as another division. But means you have to define as one division. Next information you want to display, that is also you can define as another division. Okay, clear? Okay, line lo రావాలి కదా.
So division is nothing but a new row.
New row. So generally you have to call it as row. Okay. In a particular order lo రావాలంటే మనకి division tag use చేసుకుంటే you can get the order, that is div tag. Okay. So after the completion of this, the designing and styling is completed. So in the body tag, you can defining the, that is the static content, and styling is completed. Now you have to convert that is the static content you want to convert it into the dynamic. So here you have to defining the some events whenever you have to getting these functions you want to execute. So these all things you have to pretend at the script only. So now we have to move on to script. See here, script type equal to text or JavaScript here. So first one we have to consider here. So see here, so here the first one on focus event, what is the function we have to define here?
Color change.
Color change
Change.
function. Okay, so the first we have to write the color change function. How you can write? See here, color change. So now I want to write the function color change. Okay, color change of this we have to represent it. ఇక్కడ ప్రీవియస్ గా మనం రాసినప్పుడు చూసారా ఇక్కడ ఫంక్షన్ లో ఏం సెండ్ చేస్తున్నాం? Color change we have to sending the this keyword. What it represents? Color change you have to applicable to this text box only. Okay, clear?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Color change function you have to apply for this text box only. So this is the keyword you have to use. So whenever you have to getting this, so now this will be assigned to X. Okay, X means what is the meaning of X? This and this text box. This text box we have to applying the style dot background. ఆ టెక్స్ట్ బాక్స్ యొక్క బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్ ఏం చేయమంటున్నాం? లైట్ గ్రీన్ చేయమని. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this is the background, we have to change it to light green. So now we have to apply for the all three text boxes. So here this one, here also, whenever the focus is move go on that particular text box. These three, that function is invoked, and the color you have to change it to light green. Clear?
Okay, sir.
See here, function on color change, x dot style background, automatically we have to change it to light green. Next move on to button, input type button, and the value you click me. Here you have to defining the two or three here, mouse over. Which function you have to define here? Change color this. Change color this function. So whenever you have to move on to change color this function, see here, change color this function. So now see here, function change color, CHNG COLR. This you have to represent. This represented as X, that particular button. X represented as this button. Okay. This dot style background. What is the color you want to give the color of the button? Red. Clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. ఇప్పుడు బటన్ యొక్క కలర్ మనం రెడ్ కి చేంజ్ చేయమన్నాం.
అవును.
ఓకే. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ద అక్కడ ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఏంటి జనరేట్ అవుతున్నప్పుడు ఆ ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయమంటున్నాం ఆన్ మౌస్ ఓవర్.
Sir, without taking any ID, we can directly give the these events, sir. Direct ga తీసేసుకోవచ్చు,
yes,
sir.
Yes. Without ID, you can write the functions.
Okay, sir.
IDs are required for you have to taking the values. Later we have to, whenever you have ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ లోనే మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను IDs. Okay. Change color. So whenever the on mouse over, that event will be fired. This function is executed. So what is the next event?
On mouse
out. అంటే ఆ బటన్ మీద నుంచి మౌస్ పక్కకు వచ్చినప్పుడు దట్ ఈస్ అవుట్. అప్పుడు ఏ ఫంక్షన్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయమంటున్నాం? నార్మల్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. ఓకే. నౌ we have to go and coming to here. Function normal. This is the function you have to execute. X dot style. X means this style dot background. We have to specify it as a white. Okay. రెడ్ కలర్ మనం పైకి ఆ బటన్ మీదకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు రెడ్ కలర్ పక్క రాగానే ఏమవుతుంది? వైట్ అవుతుందా లేదా?
అవుతుంది.
సో మనం బటన్ మౌస్ whenever you have to move on to the button, that is the on mouse over event required. Whenever we have to coming out of the button, that is the on mouse or out, automatically this function is invoked. White. Okay, clear up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, what is the another event we have represented here?
On click.
On click. Now you have to which function you have to execute it? Calculate function. So whenever you have to move on to a particular event, that is the on click event, directly it goes to that function. So this is the calculate function. This is the calculate function. Function calculate. Function calculate. Now you have to defining the variables. First variable, P variable, that is the principal amount, and document dot get element by ID. So get element by ID. Here we have to specify input type equal to text, ID equal to P. Here we have to specify the ID, that is the P. So now you must be given as document dot get element by ID. So ID is okay. That P dot value. P dot value. Next one, we have to take in the another variable R document dot get element by ID, INTR. In the place of INTR, you have to give it as I dot value. What is the value you have to enter in those text boxes? That value you have to store it into these variables. First value you have to store it into the P, second value you have to store it into the R, and the next value you have to store it into the Y. That is N. So now variable I, PNR by 100, alert interest is PNR by 100. So what are the value you have to take in and divisible with the 100, multiplied and divisible by 100. So finally we have to display the last tag. Hi, that is the name of the tag. So this is the hi. I have to specify. So document dot get element by ID hi dot inner dot HTML, inner HTML interest is plus sign. Okay, clear? Now you have to save it. How it works. See here, refresh it. Enter the principal amount. So whenever you have to click on that on focus in. So now I want to enter the 50,000. That is the principal amount. Interest rate is 5. And the number of years. Or you have to give another 4 years. Okay. See here, but the mouse whenever you have to on over to button, so the color will be changed of the button. Clear?
Sir.
That is the click me. So we have to coming outside. The color we have to change it to white. Clear?
Okay, sir.
So on focus event, color on mouse over.
Mouse
On
over,
mouse over.
mouse or out. Mouse.
Okay.
out.
Now you have to click on. So what is the interest? Check once. 10,000. 10,000. See here. Now you have to calculate 50,000. The interest rate is 5. The interest rate is 10,000. 50,000 into 5 into 4 divided by 100. Get the 10,000 interest. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, clear? So now I have to complete it regarding to the variables as well as how we can defining the text boxes, buttons, what is the mouse events. So what are the keyboard events you will practice? Try to complete the same web page for the compound interest.
Okay, sir.
Up to now, is clear?
Sir.
Have any doubts?
No, sir.
Sure.
We are.
Speak out.
Sure, I have one kind of doubt, sir. Yes, sure. Here in the first division, here we have the first division, sir, enter principal amount, right? So here we have closed the label tag and then input text means down, sir, down itself. Yes, yes. Here in the first line, sir, division starting of the division. Yes, here in the input type means text means that box content we are representing here in the
Text
text
box.
manner, right? Yes.
Yes.
And ID means here we are giving the ID for the scripting purpose, right?
It's the name, it's the ID, unique identification, simply for the unique identification of the text box or labels
Mhm.
or buttons.
Okay,
You have to
and the
give in
name, sir?
the unique name of the that particular
Okay,
input tag. So you have to identify
name,
with
okay, the
ID,
particular,
tag IDs. With the IDs only you can identify.
okay, the tag ID name is, I mean, the tag name itself here is mentioned
So
as a
no
name.
need. You have to give in the name or no. It is not no use. ఇట్ల వల్ల మీకు ఏం నేమ్ అని ఇవ్వచ్చు ఇవ్వకపోవచ్చు. That is no nothing will happen.
Oh.
ఓకే, మీరు
Okay.
నేమ్ అయినా ఇవ్వచ్చు ఇవ్వకపోవచ్చు,
Yes.
ప్రాబ్లం ఏం లేదు. ఓకే,
ఓకే, అంటే ఇచ్చే అప్లికేషన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయి సార్, పర్టికులర్ గా నేమ్ అనేది ఖచ్చితంగా మెన్షన్ చేయాలి అన్న
మెన్షన్
type
అంటే
of
మీ
ఉంటాయి సార్,
కన్వీనియంట్
like
పర్పస్ యు ఆర్ యూజింగ్.
okay.
Convenient purpose you are using, that is no use. You have to specifying the name or not, nothing will happen in code.
Okay,
Understanding purpose you are writing the given the names. Okay,
yes sir.
the tag are related to the name or something. Understand, first input text box, where it is related to the principal
Okay.
amount. Second one interest related.
Yes sir.
It is the years related.
Okay,
That the input tag you have to identify with
for
this
our,
name
yeah,
of. Next, next one.
yeah, yes sir.
Okay, next value is
Value.
nothing we have to give. So
Yeah,
could not specify anything, automatically
whatever we given we'll get the answer.
yeah, on the display on text box.
Yes, okay sir.
Next one, event, on focus event, on focus
Color
in
changing.
color changing. That a particular event we have to generate for the all. So last one we have to specify input type equal to button. So in the
Button.
previously type equal to text box, text means it is a text box.
Text box, yes.
Input type equal to button, it is a button.
Okay,
ID equal to, that is the name of the ID, button ID. Value,
okay.
click me.
Click.
Here we have to specify the three events. One is the on mouse over event, second one is the on mouse out, and third
Okay,
one is
on
the on
click.
where you have to
On.
specify the functions. On to
Okay.
change color function, normal function, and calculate.
Calculation purpose. Okay, sir.
So whenever we have to click on that event, that event we have to find automatically that appropriate function you have to. So color change
The
function
scripting.
మనం కాల్
Okay.
చేసినప్పుడు ఈ ఫంక్షన్ ఇవ్వకూడదు. Change color అయితే this function is invoked.
Okay.
So function normal you have to specify as this function is.
Okay. And sir,
finally,
here you have
function
mentioned yes sir, mentioned as a document dot get element by ID, ID and dot
ID of
value.
the ID of the
Yes.
that particular text box.
Dot
PIY,
value. Okay.
not value, ID of the particular
Yeah.
text box. Here
ID
you have
and
to
outside
specify
of
the
that.
P,
Okay.
this one,
Okay.
this one I, this is the Y.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, that is the IDs. With the IDs only you can identify that particular tag.
Okay.
Dot value. So what are the value you have to enter on the text box? That value you have to store it into the variable P. Yeah. Second
Okay.
value you have to store it into the R.
Yes, sir.
Third value you have to store it into the N. Finally, you can process
Okay.
where I equal to PNR by 100
Calculation.
calculation.
Okay.
So you have to use the alert means simply to get the
Alert box. Yes.
alert box you have to get, that you have to display, and we have to display, no need to alert. So simply I
You
want
can
to use
just
comments. interest is
Sir, what happens when we give this comment, sir?
alert box could not be executed. See here. 50,000, 5 lakhs. 5. మనకి alert box ఏమైనా వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ?
Okay. So we didn't get alert. No, sir.
Alert. Okay. Have any
So
doubts?
మనం అట్లా కామెంట్ చేస్తే if
Comment
we give
చేస్తే
that
that
kind of
code is
comment
not
and
It is
not
like working as a
executed.
comment. Yes,
okay.
it's taken as a comment.
Okay.
That code is not it.
Okay.
So now we have to implement this compound interest.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir,
That time we
again
have
you
to
are
use the-
again you are going to send us a link.